Welcome to Air Products, where together we have the power to generate a cleaner future. We partner with battery cell manufacturers and recyclers to deliver high-quality gases, advanced technologies, and tailored services to meet their volume and purity needs. Our technology applications support every stage of battery production and recycling, including cell assembly, anode and cathode materials, electrode foils, and separators or electrolytes. We offer a wide range of technical services, from atmosphere detection and furnace atmosphere monitoring to CFD simulations, all designed to optimize your processes and reduce costs. Air Products' innovative solutions reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve sustainability, ensuring high-quality products with lower emissions. Our commitment to sustainability ensures that our solutions support environmentally friendly practices, contributing to a cleaner future for electric vehicle production. Want to know more? Contact our experts at airproducts.co.uk/batteries.